for today. We got free fish. So, here's our first one, the little but last one. So, it's the channel cat. The smallest one. So, then, here's what my brother caught. A big one. I hope you can see me now, but here is my brother's fish. It's so big it probably can't fit on the camera while I'm holding it. So yeah, my brother's big old channel catfish instead of blue catfish. So it's actually really big. So yeah, here's my little brother's channel catfish. So yeah, hoping you guys seen that. But and last but not least, we got the first catfish of the day. Well, promise you guys fishing video, so see you later.